I just got done using the weed eater. I come out here last night. And the corn is ready. This poor corn has been through it. It's been through a freeze, a frost, a tornado, straight line winds is what they want to call it, whatever. And so it's July 17th and we're picking corn. It was worth covering it up when it was going to freeze and frost, so here we go. So it's really hot. I was gonna wait until tomorrow to pick this, but the more I thought about it, the more I thought, as much as this corn has endured, a lot of it did straighten back up, like my mom said, after the storm. But as much as this corn endured, I should probably go ahead and pick it, because if I left it one more night, my luck, the chances are, a critter would come in the middle of the night and eat every bit of it. So I'll get it. And of course, meat chickens are still not in the freezer. We'll find time this weekend. We will. Okay. So that's the corn haul so far. I'm sure I missed a few, but it's hot. I have blanched all my corn, and I have got about 50 ears out of the experiment that I did with the corn, that it froze, it frosted on it. I covered up with a black tarp, and this is what I got. May not have been as much if it was under ideal circumstances, but this is better than nothing. And it's July 18th. July 17th when I picked it, and I don't know anybody else that has corn ready this early. So, well worth it. I think I will definitely do it again. So, just thought I'd let y'all know that always take chances when you're gardening. You never know what you'll get. Hey y'all, remember when I said I'll pick the corn now, because my luck, something will get it in the middle of the night. So look, something, probably a coon, is getting the leftovers. But thankfully, we've already got what we wanted. Now I'm picking the corn stalks, giving them to the cows. It's just, and then in turn they'll give us manure, which will fertilize the garden. So that's what we're doing now. y'all come back.